This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This might just most satisfying is undoubtedly shockingly good at what it does. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it works exactly as advertised. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere right this second. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This might just most satisfying is undoubtedly shockingly good at what it does. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring